Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the weekly recap. Okay, today is Saturday, week ended yesterday, and just making this video just to show the trades taken and the reason trades taken. So let's get it started. I made the video, but somehow I got messed up and making it again. Anyway, so the week started on the September 3rd. There was no trade on the September 3rd, but from the 4th, this is the first one, Aussie Yen 20-minute short setup here and the trade. After that, Aussie USD September 4th, you can see here again short. I'm shorting Aussie pairs where the Aussie is on the left hand side, like Aussie Yen and Aussie USD, because of the weakness in Aussie dollar, and longing those Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie pair because Aussie on the right hand side there. Here you can see Euro USD short setup here, and same Euro Yen short setup here is because of the Euro pullback. Now on the 5th, again you can see Aussie Yen second entry here. The first one got knocked out, second one start to come down, and then it went down all the way. We'll show you the next day. Here you can see EUR-CAD. CAD was getting weaker, by the book entry long all the way to the upside. And here Aussie Yen, that's the entry that it came up and gave another entry, but my entry was still alive, so we went down again, right? And right to the target where I was expecting, 79.20. And this is, again, you can see a USD franc by the book entry, beautiful entry all the way to the downside, 90 pips. And on the 6th, this is on the 7th, Friday, Aussie USD again. This was the first one you saw, and then this is the one, second one. And Aussie, since on getting weaker, and Aussie is on the right hand side here. Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie went up. This is Euro Aussie, and let me show you this Pound Aussie. This is the one that I made this chart like on the 4th, and I took an entry here, and then I hold it. I held all the way until Friday, and then look, this is the chart. Initial chart was this, and my target was this for wave 5. And we reached there nice and clean, and I closed it on Friday for 275 pip. This is how powerful the system is if you understand. Another thing is that this Aussie index, that's the reason I've been going long in Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, because the Aussie dollar index, I was expecting that it will go up a little bit and then drop, right? And you can see right now that it was going up, but then later on it did exactly what I was expecting. It went up here, end up wave 4, and then drop for wave 5, and that's where the game started actually. Okay, and this is another one, the pair. I lost the trade chart, I don't know where it is, but beautiful 200, more than 220 pip drop. New Zealand, you can see the chart here. This is the chart, you can see. Nice drop, right? And another thing I want to show you that how I track the indexes. For example, USD index. This is the chart I made in January 2017. That we're going to drop in this fashion here down to, my target was 91.73, and check this out. After 8 months, we drop all the way down here to 91.73. Then I said we're going to go up for wave 4. We went up, and then I said we're going to drop for wave 5. We came down, and I said we're going to go up for wave A. And as of today, we are here. So now I know where it is going. Do you? And if you don't, and if you want to know all these indexes, what USD is supposed to do, what Aussie is doing, what Yen is doing or going to do, and then it's very easy to pick up a pair after you know that it's certain currency. For example, if you know the Yen is getting strong, all Yen pairs, Pound Yen, Euro Yen, Aussie Yen, USD Yen, they're all going to go down because Yen is on the right hand side in all those pairs. So literally you will have a pick and choose situation where you got like 8, 9, 10 pairs involving Yen, and they're all going to move and you just move. Pick the fastest moving pair. That's it, or maybe a couple of them, right? So, like I said, I just showed you that it was like shorting euro yen, but I didn't touch any other. Euro yen I showed it, and then Aussie yen, right? Not pound yen I didn't touch this week, so maybe next week. But anyway, so this is how you do it, and if you want to learn and trade like this, just go on my website and get the system, subscribe, get the system, and get going. Only this one, see, this is a chart. Only this one chart would give you more than 200 pip. Even if you make one trade like that, one setup, look at this setup. This one was a beautiful buy the book entry. That's more than 200 pip drop, and this is more than 200 pip drop. This is how, and these candles, you don't have any noise or anything. They're all same size, very precise, very accurate, and very good looking, nice, clean looking. And when the indicator is all the way up, you wait for the short. When the price is moving below the wave, that's it. You look for the shorts. Okay. Plus, obviously, my long-term analysis plays a big role, which I give you. I just send out the charts to my subscriber, the new charts that I made, and they all have it. That the whole package, indexes and then pair charts. I'm making it, and by the end of the day, probably I will send out all the pairs, maybe like 15, 20, at least 12, 15 pairs. The monthly chart, the weekly chart, and the direction, which pair is going where, and what we're supposed to do. And they're all going to be ready for the next week. And you can also, you go on my website and subscribe and get the system and get going. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.